Hey guys, and welcome back to Goose and Coral.
And today,
We're doing adding too many ingredients into slime.
Let's get started.
First up, we're adding too many fishbowl beads into slime.
So here are our fishbowl beads. We're just gonna mix the slime right into them. Here's about a normal amount you would add in, but we're gonna add in a lot more.
I think this is the limit because they keep falling out.
This slime has some really good ASMR.
Next up, we're adding too much clay into slime.
So here is our clay. It's very nice and soft clay. And here is our clear slime. As you can see, we have more clay than clear slime. So we just roll it into little balls and we're gonna satisfyingly push it into the slime. So let's mix it in. So it looks really satisfying. So it feels pretty much like clay, because that's what most of it is, but it's pretty good.
Next, we're adding too many jelly cubes into slime.
So we've decided to just put all of our jelly cubes in a pile and then just drizzle some clear slime over it. Wasn't as satisfying as I hoped it to be, but still looked pretty cool. So the slime became kind of tough because it was pretty much just jelly cubes. The slime was absorbed by the jelly cubes, but it did sound pretty cool. It made a few like really cool sounds, so that was good.
Next, we're adding too much pigment into slime.
So we're just gonna add all the pigment that we have left into this slime. We don't have much, so this one we're not really adding too much into it because we don't really have that much. But it still looked really satisfying. So here are all the slimes that we added too many ingredients into today. Now we're gonna mix them all together and do a really satisfying slime smoothie. First up, we're adding the clay slime. In the bowl it goes.
Next up is the jelly cube slime.
Let's put that one in there too. Now here is the pigmented slime, which I know doesn't look very pigmented since we didn't have that much pigment. But we're still gonna add it anyway. Next up is probably the most satisfying one, and it is the fishbowl bead slime. Let's add this one to the bowl as well. So now we're gonna mix them all up. So it turned into kind of like a tough but crunchy butter slime. The beads did fall out a lot, the fishbowl beads, but we just put them back in after, so it wasn't really that big of a deal. And yeah, it was pretty cool. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at DuSinkHara12. And don't forget to subscribe!